was a mamma aquaba eba Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe with the notification so that anytime videos of this nature upload it usamekabi I'm also share. Now let's go into the story. And this is movie. I say war movie. I say war film. If I grow to change, now if I politics to change, I say war movie. Videos be circulate. They say the NDC for many bloggers na yejuma bomenti. Omuko bebe fa bakwa. Omatam bloggers edi omechi all over the country. Omuti omu adentia. Omusi ompese omu ma aban ye visible. Ompese citizens no say omu na omu yejuma. Omu na omu aban papa aba. Omba be yejuma no. Ama omai na kwenim. Ama omai netumpon. Yes na muka no twim. No problem. Now, sa bloggers for you. Nya omu reporting no. It means say, nya mi bra penny. FN Kwame Agbodza, governors Agbodza, of Yadakulu. Or call around the nation say or inspect roads. Number one thing the say, Obioya minister, ni convoy. VHI convoy ne mono. Ukaya 23, 27, 25. Like I said, they say, now then I cause we minister keke no u convoy no kaka se wo mu no ebru de wo ma mo na na mukasa ti Akufo-Addo say ale na Akufo-Addo ye omanpeni president ni convoy 20 cars 18 cars adan ya by now minister 27 cars 23 cars if I no do nchen and onwa echo ras or say some of the contracts no say contractors so mo perform ejuma ye de ama o nye sha ejuma na o mo ye no or forgetting who say so source contract in Kwana Mudi microphone.
And I'm saying it. If we didn't pay mobilization, I would have terminated the job today. What is this? Let's go.
Yes.
So annoying.
I told you.
Let's go.
And so they didn't open any competitive bid. You refi. And so ranty a complaining. Now ranty complaining say Ukraine Uba ministry on Kopacho, Uba ministry on over soon ye, and I made him out. But he said, Ocaning in Avian, and or free honor. Like contractors no say, Namo Cascata Bramuka Granary, Omuju Amontia zero. Mumma 20 million saying for mobilization. Now allegedly, 20 million, must be Jessica, 10 million a frame. Say, and ministry no there. Obe Jesus ska be na mo say o mo fanye ejuma. Eti contractors no say, Charlie, sa say mfun no, o mo pese o mo ti kra. O mo pese o mo ti. O ntimi fast can, ntimi mo juma wi. Na ejuma no waka san be jiska no. O san be teach obo wi no. O san be quality work. How will you do that? O mo nya magicians. Now, something to say allegedly, contractor B, a Chinese for contractor B, at your mind will seek 80 million in the journey. I think $80 million from what we are hearing. Some say by Papa Naba, I buy Papa Abano, a Musu Swansoni. And the end, everything, Obiankasa, Obian complaining. Coin abano, sa nebeba, Obian independence. Evolution for still now ye studio contributions no so and donations no so for some time now donation be by it invest still around 12,000 Ghana cedis 13,000 more to go by GDC mbeboye ama drew a year 25,000 so that we can bring this beautiful vision to pass.
See more free contractors ne free site no. Then asika no 25% mobilization fund no say adu omo 10% kra wo sika no mu ansa na ye ma omo contract nti omo di 25% na omo ti omo ka 10% 15 na ndru ba bia nti obi atia da o report no so a wo so age wo de e na kwan naka nti ese no ni aka ne se Joyce Bawa be wia na na adu road a wo ye na onko omo kuntunas na omo de akoshe green book
But we delete you.
I saw Yachino. But VAR captured that.
NDC. What do you mean? We almost try to catch us some Kumasi Expressway. No, I do.
And I face to try and not reports nearby said China need the book big push is 80 million a journal.
Acquired the call.
Just as time only say young craft way said a year and think I had to say where the many me ama China where the many now quadrina 25% in a buyer no matter me 10% now 15 now can into baby and I me ama China me who say when him as a more big push no money na me mebu me ketem na wo na Ghana ni na udi mani no akwa ye you know why ye you near the asha ama China Tana de na koyo ama China ye mboni di
ama China no so ni krom ha se bra ko ni krom
Okoni krom yemfa ni dimba yemfa ni foni mba na yakọ China for embassy yakọ akọhwehwe no enti ene efuni di fonti ene se wokọ de yemfa nhyew na de na
yenchendi nko a
yenchendi Braxban
ayo enen so me so omo akọche na na ado nyame
ai
emo pa who send this for munya serious
omunya serious so se niema na ebubu ba no niema na eba na do so sister
na papa di onu da na waka ni onu didi ba mi atem ne di omo nkwache no ho okay anyway mati say anti how akumsen num ne we no omo ne ko CID headquarters eti ebe heli ebesi na me na ni enti kwa me this speed by mati say athletics no mo ye and then so Paul ni ba ko abu and then so Paul ni ba ko abu ama we dia athlete ne kra dia ase ne wapira no because no Olympic ABM
Mr. Sister ma by Monday o meka say NDC MPP for na de blade question sin dia no
o de be say
omo de be say by Monday dia na na ado din esu o meka so na ado na ye
enim gu asesem omo ye de omo atu we na no sesia no omo de say omo da National Sports Authority na no all African games no yabi sa baby no wo mu no hello si for me can National Sports Authority ni oga sesia no almost or the comi or ba no so on na da no obi be comi no she used to be a journalist or gusu a journalist sports journalist.
Okay.
Now I can't some na na do so na on na no ate on not brofo. When we say ja one sport pe one just athletics when who enim gua say ayo say the swimming kan ho ene ye ne akaka kan ho dey say swimming dey kan krofo ma be me nkrofo ma nsuo be fam na ni awu say ono te ho aka say the former sports authority for no omo ye incompetent ko he ne Twitter messages bi o ye na yakobo ni nyina na ye bo kire no wahu agro we wahu wano ena me koka wo YouTube say wo de wano don wire a ebi nwo wo de wano edo wire a ebi nwo wo se ade omu si fom so omu no da ne problem wahu sa da ne problem anim gu asesem se ya na mokọ na madi kogu ase a na afa na maba na mo teteteche MPP for se me na me koka kire omo me se don bachi ye nyina asi because nsam ne ye beka papa me say me na ma me ne makura be me beka nsam maka bi nsusu me koka bi nsusu etu omo be kire yen papa nsam hunu se ya na modi nam krom ha ye konkonko ti a Felix Ofosuko achi se mahama Amo take it down my mind decision or cabinet no mahama yin hu free mu unkwasi afọ 6 million ya ka hu bi wa ho
aka we dey Jimmy for the
nyansa 4 million o ye MPP for ye nyansa 4 million ti ye ko yi e ko to abapa no enkwasi afọ 6 million le ko to abafo no o do ni se ye nyina ye bia ho Felix Ofosuko achi e enkwasi afọ 6 million o ji se ya ka ho nipa na egu cabinet ho no hwan na ma mo adwuma hwan na ma sa nipa na adwuma enti wa sori afiri wo se yenye ne den enka nipa no mbenya akukuduro akwotena cabinet ho se omo mfa mining the way ne ma no mo de mo sori a mo mu Ghana fonti mumu ye nyina nti mo sori a anadwuma na asem nkwase asem ne we Felix Kurapo de so ono no ye no oye obi a yenim so ono nkwase asem na oka obi a otimi kosalome ma ye kyerewo ya kyerewo a nipa na wa kyerewo na aka cho se wo ma me record na ye kohwini because o kyerewo akwa se nye wo a ni ya record na sa asem we na ba wo record ni be ma kosalome ebe do me ka sa anadwuma na asem we nkyere yen ama media bufo ni free UTV na bedu o de ma me ntwa so a nyesa me di o matam asi afa 24-hour economy no mo si MPP for ya nti ase eti almost I know almost sheba no me twa mo de jata na ba jata ni sisire ni se bona budon ya si ya de baba na mo de helicopter ko feed o mo ya twa mo de aba ise
me twa nkakono
nta pacho say
me de me twa nkakono
chese NDC for udi o mo achi a ho wo be kasa ma utiri nyina be ya wo sori anope bia na NDC for de kwase asem ni nsɛmfun dem every morning for the past 3 weeks chese yenya nyansasem bia ntie mfiri obo ho obia wo party nim sabe bi wagimi everybody government nkoye asi educate aso de ne de enam yesi ozo okoto enwo no for na yesi na koma ayese because Mahama Nkrofo ne se omra tete eti ntokwa pie wo party mu a yesi ye kasa chairman ne Mahama group nkasa
na fila
Mahama group nkasa chairman na North region gusu ye thank you to na chairman e ye relation wi enfie bienu ye gusu ye thank you to when me dey Ghana asho mu nsaw nti ebe ye de ne ye international disgrace for the past 24 hours ya Ghana di bi aye born internationally bi aye nimguase ya MP nsusu na ye onu so ochina court won Netherlands okoshuruba from extradition ebeba so ena me koti a adenti no tu kwa ya se oso okọ ne ba birthday party na sa lo bi ka kire me so she on Friday no se den o kwa o se me kwa brochira ba o kwa he o se me kwa UK na wo UK so mo no wasam o se me kwa me ba birthday party ena wakwa ya kwachiri no say yes FBI for na hu no say oba UK onfa oma Heathrow straight no mo achi no so mo hwehwe no US UK so de o metimi afa no eti okwa na ode nam Amsterdam ne he ena nkrofo na ateta na no mo so ne musa ekua na ye ja so
obi atro ha say he was on official duty me so mate say no one ma yarega mo kra na nam enti no so omo no omo pese omo dia so chetu o
kwa birthday party o kwa kodi wo girl ya kire
we doesn't care
we doesn't no so say wo bebe fie omo nya kire wo abonte ho we international disgrace part 1 yen kan wie ena sport for isusu di omo di enamu ena ya gu ye ni manse Twitter ye gu ye ni manse sinkosu ya half akwa bi de one journalist di osi ya mom pa no free Ghana nyame bo o free Ghana ni experience no beka ye ko bu sa osi me na me nko kan ye nkyere me chese oba ye no wate se ye kyeche nkrofo ntu onka bi ni ya kye no
no ma sending the message threat police for sending the threatening message ankasa
nti omaya ye wo mu no animguase the past 24 hours aye animguase meanwhile your opposition leader Dr. Baumia too nice abontin bia Dr. Baumia kwa abrochire bia Dr. Baumia kwa ba bia ba no odi anionyam
Isama ana do nyame so
ama wo bi nto aso
ana do nyame Anado ne nyame so.
Nanka edru we so batu si. Eddie Ray. Eddie. Okay. Mano yenko why.
All right. Yeah, that's it. There's a chance free Joyce Bauer issue no. What's the Joyce Bauer post no you know. A guy be a friend Michael Ayason. I don't know making that post concerning the road from Tamale to Yendi. And then ono a share. So that should clearly let you know the kind of people or more
clueless bunch of human beings.
Exactly.
Now Joyce Bauer Kroya, she equally participated in the Air Ghana saga.
Okay.
Drama. Okay. They are clueless about their own governance.
Okay. So the thing is, if unima dear koso abemu, at least you are the presidency, yes, senior presidential staffer. And BBC cry, you first of all need to cross check. And because even some of us cry any position biano, some information biana obey me they are call out. You need to be very, very sure about that so that you can mount a very solid defense for whatever you say. But these are people omodi and say pay as you go. The focus is not about go and churning out credible information. No, omodi and say let's always bring out information to entertain our base. And I don't know if they are that achievement bankruptcy, and I believe they have some achievement bankruptcy because only achievement bankruptcy. Why is it say you can't share what your government has been able to do for the past 2 years? Whatever you are doing is said, and I will share. Yesterday, I dealt with this particular issue. Say, you can't come and tell us, Tamale Yendi Road, free abemo. Now it was almost close to 80% completion. So when we say the Adam is about 20%. You can't do 20% and come and tell us we should praise John Mahama and we should praise Big Push for the 20%. And I say why you cry? You can't come and tell us we should praise Big Push and praise John Mahama. And if that's the case, then we can equally say that we should praise Nanado for Terminal 3 and KJT Market. If that's the way, because I could afford the complete Terminal 3. I could afford the complete KJT Market. And the records are there. But no, we are not achievement. We are not bankrupt when it comes to achievement. There are so many things about media. So we don't need to come and steal someone's project or try our possible best to say oh we near by hook or crook fancy and I found go about on a base who say BB. We serious person and a say such a road within 1 year you've been able to complete such a road. Who is serious individual or gang? And Rebecca said within 1 year you've been able to complete such a road. But yes, they know their audience. They know the people that they are dealing with. The people who choose over digitalization. People who choose kenke and fish over digitalization there. Say Anna Abainobe will manage you. Say Anna the government will think about you. Say Anna Abainobe will say, oh, yeah, because you don't think, you don't research, you don't look for fact. Because someone got something from Pomonche and mo base on 6 million. So anytime that they feel like bringing set things out, they should know that we, the 4 million, are there to expose their hypocrisy. We are there to expose their lies and their deception. The Nipa Crow, yes, are supposed to not delete it. So that then Okoshe Joyce Muktari, it is still there. The share no ho, but content in ho because any Crow no share on Nipa Crow no post here what delete it? Because I'm sure so Korean should say, hey, I didn't any sanet here into another delete, but who Joyce Muktari, a gusu because only anymore. And background, if it wasn't yesterday, I didn't know that there was anybody called Michael Ayansong. But it was yesterday because Joy shared it. We should be careful as a nation. The next time we because I take a decision now, we should put away so much, so I can't say pain. Yes, Eba. Sometimes government officials to me baby, it's me aware. May come my MPP for now. It's me aware, but sometimes we should also take a second look at things. Because as I say, do you MPP experiencing it? The high cost of utility and everything, chronic cost nurses for moving. I'm sure that we equally have MPP for or more alawa delayed is better than alawa cancelled. These people were people who were supporting MPP. They are still affected just like in Crawford Mukasi alawa also. So we plead